This is the OOOLED 10-pack of 4-foot LED shop lights. Normally I'd say let's take it out of the box, but there's just too much here. So I'm going to show you one of them. The other 9 are absolutely identical. Let's take everything out of the plastic. Okay, in the box you get 1 instruction manual and 10 of everything you see here. 10 lights, complete with power cord, 10 sets of screws, 10 sets of wall anchors, 10 sets of screw hooks, 10 sets of these hooks right here for the light, and 2 chains for each light. So 10 sets of 2 of those as well. This is a plug-in light, as you see right here. It's meant to look like the old fluorescent ones that we used to have, but of course everything today is LED. These are 42 watts, 4800 lumens, and put out 5000 K daylight color temperature light. Hard to see from here, but there is a pull chain on each light as well, so you can turn them on and off as you need. These are linkable in that each one has a plug. At the other end of it, off camera here, there is an outlet, and you can plug the next light in the set into that and link up to 10 lights together. Of course, each one has its own pull chain on it, so you can turn on whichever ones you want at any time. And the cord on these are 5 foot long. These can mount in one of 3 ways. You can use the hooks, you can use the screw hooks with the chains, or you can surface mount it with the screws. So it'll go pretty much any way you want like that. I'm going to demonstrate hanging this light in a minute from the chains, and of course we'll test it out. But let me turn it on here first. Okay, let me go ahead and turn this on. Pull the chain over here once I can grab it. And there you go. It looks just like an old fluorescent fixture. Real easy. Okay, so let's shut this off. I'll unplug it just in case. We're gonna do a couple things here. First, let me see if I could just show you the end of it. Like I said, has an outlet, and the next light can plug into that. Over here, you can see how you can mount it. At each end, you have these guys here. So if you're going to surface mount it like that, you would put the screws in and get it configured as such. And we can also use the hooks and things like that to mount it with chains. So let's do that. I've just installed one hook. As you see, it goes in there like that. So I removed it, and then you put it in the slots and get it lined up, and there you go. And now with the chain attached to that, it can hang. So I've temporarily mounted the light right over here, and I can simply pull the chain, and there you go. Instant shop light. Let's take a look at the work surface. Here's without, and here's with. Oh yeah, very, very nice and bright. Very impressive in terms of the light output. Definitely do like that. Nice and bright all around. I'm going to kill the room lights and let you see just the light from this. Okay, I have a plug over here where I can plug it in. And there you go. That's really not bad at all. Light goes all the way down to the floor without any problem. Definitely excellent, excellent all around. Remember, once again, this comes in a 10-pack, so you can light up your entire basement or garage or whatever area that you need, your wood shop or what have you. They're all linkable together. You just plug the next one in to the previous, and that makes it really easy to install. Of course, if they're on different outlets in different places, that's cool too. They're all kind of independent like that, but they put out a tremendous amount of nice, bright, daylight color light. They're instant on, all around quite good. Once again, this was the OOLED 10-pack of LED shop lights. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.